1, clean the garage. 2, clean the garage, because I gotta remind myself twice. Because we're supposed to be going to get some new parts when Kyle goes off for work. I think Artie's coming too. So we're gonna go meet up with them and go get the parts. But I got like less than 2 hours. Yeah, I was resting today, man. I was just resting. Alright, but less than 2 hours, let's get it done. Alright, step 1 in the garage. Gotta clean the garage. This car gotta go out. Let's start there. Perfect. Alright. Step 1 again. Finish cleaning. Probably just gonna move all this stuff over there. And then all this stuff over there. So then this area is clean. And then slowly I'll move some of that stuff back over here. Alright, so now we got this side. Well, right here basically. All that's pretty clean, kind of just moved it back, swept up the floor a little bit. So now we're gonna work on what's over here. Don't worry about the rack, that's just a little rough. All of this, like the tables and stuff, kind of gonna move that over here. Probably move that motor to the basement and then like clear up all out of this area. There, cause that's bad. It wasn't the most difficult part, but it was definitely the most time consuming. Look at this thing. Ain't around no rolls. Boom. We got a much better workspace over there. At least now the engine hoist could be able to go over there so we can pull that motor out. But now we kind of gotta go back on this side and redo this side. It's not bad. I gotta clean up that table, but like everything's organized over here. So I'm gonna get the wheelbarrow so I can put that motor, throw that motor in the basement. I might even move the snowblower because right now if it starts snowing, we'll bring it back up. But I might move that out the way. We got a wheelbarrow, so this just clean up a whole bunch of space. Like I said, some of that stuff in the corner was garbage, so this piece right here, that's garbage. Those buckets gotta get moved, but they kind of chilling right there because this side isn't going like in and out. I got it. Alright, got the wheelbarrow. I let out all my heat that I made. Close this garage, it's getting cold. Alright. Garage is closing, got the wheelbarrow. About to put this motor in the wheelbarrow. That's it for right now. I gotta go get Kyle. And then we go pick up the new parts. So let me get started with that. I just wanna get things ready so then when he do get back, we can kinda just keep it rolling. So for right now, oh no, the camera battery. Alright, let's make this quick. Alright, so the camera died the last time we put the motor down, but I moved it out the way. Kyle's here.
You?
Yes, sir. So what you about to do?
Go pick up a front bumper. Yes, sir.
Front bumper. You got some ways to go. It's like what, 40?
Like 40 minutes.
And we already like 20 over? So about an hour?
Nah, it's 40 minutes from here.
Exactly, and we 20 from where we gotta be at. So
it's only 50 from the crib.
Exactly, so about an hour. Oh nah. Alright. All jokes aside, we got some food because we were starving Marvin. We out, we about to get on the highway. I don't even know where I'm going for real. I just know I gotta go that way. Make sure you use your signals. Use your signals. Alright, so we got the new bumper. We just gotta find a way to get it in the car because we don't have any trucks today. We got a little bit of stuff back here, but it'll be alright. We're just gonna lower the seats.
They got for the camera.
I'm with it fit, but it's like a little flex a little bit, so we're gonna have to try to fix that up a little bit. You wanna drop? I'll drop, but let me see. Oh! Nah, get in the pass. That's it, get in the pass. Get in the pass. My driving pictures is. It is recording. My driving privileges. Hold on, sorry. Let me. One more time. Let me think real quick. My driving privileges have been revoked. Cause the bumper smacked me in my noggin, bro. Hit me right in my mouth. I'm not with it. Not with it. So now I can't drive no more. Crazy.
Yeah, nah, you've been demoted.
That's what you get. Yep. And I definitely caught it. All on the camera. A new bumper. Watch your head. He smacked his head. He said, watch your head. A little too late. Looks pretty good.
You see this shit already sticking out.
Much further than before.
Yeah. You loosen this.
Nah, yeah, that falls out, and then I'm just gonna pop off the AC compressor real quick. All three of those, honestly, they just gotta come off real fast.
Take no more than 5 seconds.
Nah, it really will.
Alright, so you see how this shit is square?
Yeah.
I kind of wanted to put like a two little light bulbs.
Oh, the little cubes in there.
Yeah.
Oh Lord, that's because there's. Well, don't ask me no questions, bro. The last time I took this car apart, I took the clutch out. I ain't nothing to do with no alternator situation, yeah?
I drive a Subaru. I gotta do some sketchy
I
shit.
used to drive a Subaru. We've had this is not the first Subaru. This is like the 4th one. Had to put that thing on maximum power.
God damn! Fraud.
Yeah, that's because you ain't listen, that's why.
Hey man, it's really only one, and this is the underglow one.
Look, power steering is out of here. That's a horrible angle.
There you go.
Now you can take that off. If the AC compressor's off, the power steering pump is off, but the lines are all still connected because I'm lazy as hell. And I'm sitting on the engine because I'm taking off the rest of this dumbass harness that doesn't want to come off properly. And I have no freaking cordless ratchet, the electric ratchets to make this simple. You just one at a time. L cameraman.
Oh, cameraman. Bro, I'm trying to fix this piece of too. Yo, bro.
Oh, I got it.
I don't want to hear it because every one of these wheels is running a different degree of camber, alright? And it's all-wheel drive. All my wheels is not driving.
It didn't look like this morning. At all. You got power steering pump is off, AC compressors off, alternators out. The harness is actually disconnected this time. Throttle body's off, but that's so I can move it out. I'm probably gonna leave the throttle body off. No, I'm gonna just disconnect it. I'm gonna put it back on, disconnect it. And then tomorrow I'll pull out the headers and the bell house and bolts with the starters. Anything you guys say? L cameraman's, by the way.
What you mean? You see this? This right here is a very nice coilover. But you see this? And you see this? That's a little too hot for me. I need this.